Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is not going to be tech related at all, so if you're a subscriber and you're wondering what is this, it's going to be something extremely different from what I generally do. Now, a little bit of a backstory. I got a bit of an Amazon advertisement on my Facebook last week, and it was for this massive box of stationery. I think it's aimed more for schools, but there was just so much in it, and I am one of those stationery freaks that there are a few of us out there. I showed it to one of my friends and they thought it was absolutely amazing and I had to buy one. So they egged me on as well. And this is my BIC box from the company BIC. It contains 124 items. I'll run you through what is in there. But basically this cost equivalent of £38. Usually sells for about £79, £80. So literally half price of what generally goes for on Amazon. And actually, if you were to add all the contents together in one of these, then you would pay, I think it's £60 more than the normal price, so about £140 for everything in here. And I managed to get it for about 38. So absolutely amped to open this. And I know it's nothing like that you'd usually expect from my channel, but this is a purchase for myself. And when I get sent all this stuff to do for tech, it doesn't really have quite the same appeal. So I'm just really looking forward to opening this because it's something that I kind of got for myself rather than just, to make a video on in the first place. This was a primary purchase for what is in it over actually making a video, but I thought we'll do two for the price of one. And there isn't actually any videos on this on YouTube apart from the one from BIC, which is just a little promotional one. So I thought it would be a good thing to do. So let's just get into it. Stop wasting time. Now, this is a spur of the moment decision to make this video, by the way, because the video I did have planned isn't going to work. So this is what you're going to get instead. So anyone that's a subscriber and watches the content regularly, then this is something different. So this is everything that's included. I will run you through it as we go through, but so much, so excited. It's really sad, but I'm super excited for this. I hope the camera's all right as well. It's literally, I don't have any lights set up or anything, literally just at my desk with the LED strips on, grabbed my lav, and I thought, balls to it, we'll make a quick video. So I'm going to try and do the best I can to show you this as well. Holy crap. Clearly some movement in shipping. Some drastic movement in shipping. I don't know if you can really tell. See if I can try and wangle this back to where it should be. Not quite what's on the picture because of everything having shifted in transit. And to be fair, it came by Hermes, so what do you really expect? So this should be a little bit more round that way. Okay, I think we're a little bit more organised now. Okay, I think that's as it should be. So, this is kind of annoying. So I'm going to run you through everything where they should be. So the top at the start here, we've got the full colours. This is the grip version that does have a rubber coating on it. You've got four of these. You've got the original ones, there's 10 of these ones. Now, for anyone that knows me personally, they probably would know that this was my granddad's favourite pen. So I'll use these with the thought of him every time I go to grab one. You do get a couple of those in the shiny editions as well. There's someone that I know will want one of these, but they're going to have a tough time trying to get one off me. What else? So we've got the Atlantis pens. There is a grand total of 3 of these ones. They have a rubber end. This isn't really where I want it. It's not really very organised. I'm gonna have to redo this, I think. Mechanical pencils, as far as I can gather, yeah. So there's a range of different colours on the bottom, but there's 24 of those in total. You've got green, blue, orange, red and yellow. You've got 3 board pens, dry white pens, black, red and blue. This will be handy when I'm at my home office because I've got a whiteboard on the wall. The classic BIC pens, you've got blue, green, black and red. You've got 22 blue, 20 black, 6 red and 6 green. Highlighters, marker highlighters. There's a total of 8 of these. They're a wedge end. What else have we got? We've got these ones, the Atlantis Exact. They've got a little protection on the tip as well. Now, the Exact ones, you've got 2 of those, and there's a black and a blue included. There we go. Ta-da! What else do we have? Glue sticks, 2 of. And then, if you're making any mistakes, you've got Tipp-Ex pocket mouse. There's 6 of these. These are literally just all on my desk at the moment because, as you saw, I pulled a load of stuff out. And then you've also got some marking permanent pens. Black, blue, and there's also a red one here as well. Oh, that's not it. Also got a small pocket marker with a bit of a finer tip or nib than these ones, which I expect to be bullet, yeah, thicker bullet point ones. I'm just going through the thing on Amazon. Let me just make sure I've covered everything in there. The Atlantis, the 2 different ones. You got 3 of those marker pens. The smaller marker pen, you've only got 1 of. Mechanical pencils, we covered those. We covered the grips, the original 4 colours. That's everything. I really want to kind of redo this box and get it all put together how it should be though before I end out the video. So I'm going to rearrange all this and come back to you in a second and show it to you in its true form. Okay, so I actually filled up the memory card on the camera, it took so long. So that is what it's supposed to look like. There's actually 8 of the Minnie Mouse, by the way, not 6. When it's all organised. I think the dividers is shifted during shipping, and there was like pens and the Minnie Mice stuck underneath the dividers so they weren't pushed down properly. So, oh, there it is all together. Very happy. Nice wide selection of stuff. Obviously, as I did say, it would cost a lot more if you were to buy it individually than it comes as here. So yeah, something different for the channel, obviously, if you're our subscriber. Regular content will be resuming soon, but I just wanted to make a video on this. I thought it was pretty cool, and as I did say, no one else has done one on it, so that's also another reason to do it. So yeah, so thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I will put a link in the description box below if you want to get one of these. Yeah, they're aimed at schools, but I'm a stationery nerd and I don't care. I love it. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you like this video and you're into tech videos generally. So don't forget to ding the bell as well so you don't miss an upload. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.